We're going to do a quick video on AMC Stock Prediction, and it's AMC Entertainment Holdings. We've got a daily chart on here with a 5-day moving average. It's kind of hard to see in green, 20-day in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Let's go back right here till we crossed the 200-day moving average back in December 21. You can see we immediately entered into a bear market. We crossed over the 200-day moving average, didn't get hardly any support, if at all, really. We bounced off it here about the 8th of December, and then went straight into a bear market. We had a reasonable respect for the 20-day moving average, and went in and put these lows in down in late January. We then did a very interesting little test of the 200-day moving average. You can see we went sideways for a little bit until March of 2022, and then did a parabolic move right up to the 200-day moving average at about the $20 range, tested it, failed, and went straight back down into a move that just essentially counteracted that parabolic move going up. We had good respect for the 20-day moving average until we just troughed out here around the end of May in 2022. So this sideways movement oscillating back and forth around $8, high and low below $8, until we gained some respect for the 20-day moving average. You can see here, starting at about early July, as the market started to respect the 20-day moving average, we started to get some rallies. We came down, we tested the 20-day moving average, failed, went sideways a little bit, and then a huge sell-off, which was somewhat predictable because we were close to the 200-day moving average, and whenever you get that close to it, they're going to test it. So they ran this stock up. You can see it was very aggressive volatility. Dramatically expanded to, from down here about $1 a day to $4 a day, and then we had a little gap here. But again, this was almost, I would say, very close to a parabolic move in the beginning of August, and it's just not sustainable. So even though we got a decisive close above the 200-day moving average, these parabolic moves almost always are going to sell off at some point, and that's exactly what you've seen, just a collapse of a parabolic move. And this stock is basically, it wants to rally, but it's technically not ready to rally yet. And I say that from technically from a technical analysis standpoint. I think this stock is probably going to come across here until about the end of September. I think you'll get some price movement as high as in the 10, maybe even 11 range through that period of time. I doubt you'll go much lower. Again, all for entertainment purposes, all in my opinion, but I doubt you'll go much lower than we are right now. You might, but what I'm looking for the stock to do is to oscillate back and forth until the end of September here, test this 200-day moving average, and then see if we can get out of this bear market, which we're officially still in, and start a new bull market rally. I don't see this stock, hugely taking off just because it closes above the 200-day, but these parabolic moves here, and here, they're just not sustainable. So given the fact that this stock likes to do that, you're probably going to get one again, but I think we're going to go sideways. And who knows how big that range will be, but I think we'll go sideways until end of September on this stock, and then I think we'll do another move, probably to the upside, and probably at least to this $15 range. That's my best guess for now. It's all it is a guess. It's all in my opinion, and it's all for entertainment purposes only. Let's see what RBAM Research says about this stock. We follow AMC, and it looks like today AMC stock predictions are nothing here showing at all for AMC. That means the algorithms did not have a buy price listed. You can see Abbott Labs had a buy price and GameStop had buy prices, but nothing today for AMC. And that just simply means the algorithm didn't think it was worth buying this stock today. They could be right or wrong. It's just for entertainment purposes only. Basically our algorithms are put out 7 a.m. Monday through Friday for 1, 5, and 20-day holds on stocks. Shortly, in the next few months, we're going to have some trend following systems that go longs and shorts for stocks, but they're not out right now. These are for today, the 30th. Again, they come out before 7 a.m. The way these work is you have a 1-day hold, a 5-day hold, and a 20-day hold. They're trading days, not calendar days. If you buy in the 1-day hold column after your own research says it's a good idea, you would either take your profit as soon as you get them or close them out just before the end of trading on the next trading day. Same thing for the 5-day. Could buy assuming your own research confirms it, and then close out at the end of 5 trading days at a loss just before the market closes, or take your profits as soon as you get them. So if you got profits today in any one of these columns, you take your profits. Got them tomorrow, the next day, whatever, you take them. But worst case, 1 day close out at a loss, 5 days close out at a loss, 20 days close out of a loss, worst case if you haven't taken profits sooner. So that's how these work. We cover 190 stocks. You can get them all at rbamresearch.com, absolutely free, no credit card required. 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, and the major the major futures contracts, and crypto, BTC crypto we cover. Everything but the stocks we have long or short. Stocks currently are longs only. Again, updated by 7 a.m. every weekday morning. rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. You can just go there and register and get them for free. And if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you have some great comments to leave us to make this video better, please leave them in the comment section below. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You can't use them for anything other than that. You have to always use your own analysis instead. And it's all our opinion, and you definitely trade at your own risk.